तो सुना है।
हाँ।
देखा तो चलो छोड़ो।
सो मच शो में सुना है, तभी तो भाई साहब एक वर्ड मिस नहीं है, मेरे को याद नहीं, हम तो बाद में कहते हैं कि कितना गोली है इसमें, हमको खा
He did good too. Someone did a good job.
He has a good memory.
That's good. Well done.
So tomorrow we are going to see it on YouTube.
Yes, of course. I'm gonna put that movie on the YouTube, right?
सू कर देगा।
यार सू मत करना। Brilliant.
No, कोई एक वर्ड मिस नहीं है हमारे को। मैं बाद में यही सोचता था कि शायद ये अभी अब ये बोलेंगे ना, वो वाला वर्ड नहीं, लेकिन वो बिल्कुल वही बोला जो चाहिए था वहाँ पे।
भैया जीनियस है, जीनियस बंदा। उर्दू आती तेरे को? नहीं आती है ना, इसको आती है।
मैं तो उर्दू आज ही दोपहर को बस सीखी है। चांद सितारे जो करते सिफारिश, कौन सा है गाना वो फना का? हो जाती है क्या सिफारिश जो करता हमारी।
Fana, yeah. Did you watch that movie? Okay.
Yeah, it's a good movie.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was the last movie you seen then?
Chakti India.
Chakti India. Did you like that?
That's a good movie. I like that a lot. Yeah. I think it's a really well done movie, but I want to see this Sare Zameen Par. I haven't seen that yet.
It's a good movie actually.
I
It's about the kids.
Right. The education.
Yeah.
No, education
Yes.
is a true story about. They have actually picked up one of the students from a brothel.
Yeah.
From a brothel, or you can say from something like children where their children lives without parents. So it's the story of that child who don't understand all those words and letters about the English and all anything. It's a true story. I was reading somewhere. It's a true story. And they made that child to work on those, and they really did that.